Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 86 and we are on our way to the vendor to pick up just a special iPhone 7 screen. It's for a client that he works at the gun gallery in Glendale. He just sells guns. So we are gonna go up there right now in the next hour and take care of his phone, crack the glass, and that's about it for now. So we'll show you how it goes and how the gun world looks like, but I'm not sure if I can record this up, but I'm sure I can. So we'll just show you that a little bit and see how everything turns up. So stay tuned for the turn up. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, it's Phon-Er vlog 86. We are just here, we just got here. We're at the gun gallery in Glendale, Central. We're close to Los Feliz, and we're about to get this thing done. It's an iPhone 7 matte black, and we're gonna change the LCD and the glass. That's pretty much it. Just a simple screen replacement. So we should be able to record it inside, and we'll show you how it goes down. See you guys soon in a second.